Colorful and stylish collection just for you. You can see on the table beautiful collection in chinon material, 3-piece collection. So if you want this collection, you just have to do one thing. You don't have to skip this video. You have to watch this video till the end. Color collection, colorful collection just for you. You can see on the table beautiful color collection and the stylish collection in different varieties. You can see it's in the chinon material, 3-piece set. So 1 color, 2 color, 3 color, 4 color, 5 color, 6 colors. You'll get all this pieces, same color, same design, 4 pieces, medium, large, XL, double XL. Let's start with the first piece. You can see the beautiful brown, beautiful stylish brown, and even on the piece you can see the handwork, plus it will come with the coin tassels, plus with a gota working, plus with a mirror work. In only one piece you will get different types of work. And if you want to see the sample piece, you can see on my back side, the sample piece is very beautiful. And if you want this collection, you just have to do one thing. The screens are given in the screens. You can directly call us, place your orders, plus you can video call us and see the collection. Let's move to next collection. Next collection is very beautiful, which I am wearing. You can see this collection, orange and blue combination, very stylish combination. Even you can see Pakistani combination, daman, heavy daman working, plus with handwork, plus with coin tassels. Again, it will come with the same Roman pants, you can see, plus it will come with a mayani, so there would be no compromising with the comfort. And you can see the size, you can see the piece, it's very stylish. Plus it will come with a chinon duppata. I'll show it to you, printed chinon duppata. You can see 2 meter length and very stylish, you can see, plus with a gota working. Let's move to next piece. You can see it will come in the peach color, plus with hand working, plus with a mirror working, short top pattern, plus with a palazzo, and you can see the tassels, mirror tassels, coin tassels. It will come with a palazzo. You can see the palazzo also. Semi palazzo will be along with it, and plus you will get the dupatta, pure chinon dupatta. You can see it's very beautiful. Plus if you see the fabric, you can feel the fabric on the video also. It's very soft, very comfortable. And you know the season is going on, wedding season is coming on. Diwali has already begun. So this is the time you can order, place your order, tell us what you want and comment down below from where you're watching this video. Let's hope into next piece. You can see this beautiful purple color, very nice color, plus with a handwork, mirror work combination, plus with again with coin tassels. You can see this piece, it will come along with a proper palazzo type design. You can see the palazzo designs come with a heavy daman working, plus with a chinon dupatta. So if you want this collection, you just have to do one thing. You have to place your order. So let's move to next piece. So if I talk about the next piece, you can see the new color, new greenish bluish color, plus it will come with a short top, handwork concept, mirror work concept. It will come with proper palazzo pants. You can see this pants also, very beautiful pants. Plus it will come with again with a chinon dupatta. So if you want all this collection, you just have to one thing. You have to call the numbers, place your orders, and this is your channel. Like the video, comment the video, share the video, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.